Hello,
Sir.
good afternoon. Now open your chat box so we can write here anything if we want to. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is your first lesson. We are going to begin. Okay. This is your first lesson. Today the date is 13th of April 2025. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how are you today?
Fine, great, sir.
You are fine.
Yes.
Okay, so before we begin, I want to tell you some of the things here. Whatever we are going to learn here, that is very, very important, and you have to listen to me carefully and
Yes.
try to speak as slowly as I am speaking. Don't try to speak fast because now you are here with me, you are alone, so I am talking to you and I am going to point you out definitely your mistakes, because my aim is to make you perfect or fluent in English. Okay, so I'll
Yes, sir.
point you out time to time, so don't mind, because now I am your teacher here.
Yes, sir.
So I am going to point you out of your mistakes, right?
Yes.
तो मैं आपकी गलतियां बताऊंगा आपको, तो आपको उसमें माइंड नहीं करना है कि अरे,
No, 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 sir.
राइट,
Yes, sir.
एंड यू हैव टू फॉलो मी, what I ask you to do it. The first thing is means speak slowly, because
Yes, sir.
we are in learning stage, and never try to speak fast, because when we speak fast we commit lot of mistakes.
Yes, sir.
And
No, sir.
natural speaking is speaking naturally slowly. Okay, so now let me know something about you first, but speak in small sentences and slowly.
Okay, sir. Hi, good afternoon, sir. My name is Rampal Khattak. I am basically belong from Punjab, but now doing job.
Listen, स्मॉल सेंटेंस बोलिए, कंजक्शन हम यूज़ नहीं करेंगे। जैसे आपने बोला माय नेम इज मिस्टर रामपाल खटक, ओके, इट्स ओके, नाइस। द सेकेंड, आई एम फ्रॉम, कहाँ से, पंजाब,
Yes, sir.
आई एम फ्रॉम पंजाब, या आई बिलोंग टू पंजाब। ठीक है, ये दो
Yes.
चीज़ बोलते हैं अपन, क्या बोलते हैं, तो आई बिलोंग टू, आई एम राइटिंग इट हियर, ओके,
Okay.
जस्ट वेट। I belong to, so to means where you belong to, like I belong to Punjab, or you can say I am from Punjab.
Yes.
Stop. Then third sentence. Don't say
Okay.
I am from Punjab, but I am doing, no, but no, and make small sentence, stop, small sentence, stop, small sentence, stop, like this. Okay. Once again.
Hi, good afternoon, sir. I am Rampal Khattak. Basically belong from Punjab.
बेसिकली बिलोंग फ्रॉम पंजाब की अधूरा सेंटेंस है, इट इज
Okay, sir.
इनकम्प्लीट सेंटेंस। बेसिकली फ्रॉम पंजाब, नो, आई एम, यही तो आपको आदत डालनी है
Yes.
इन स्पीकिंग। आई एम फ्रॉम पंजाब, आई एम रामपाल खटक, फुल स्टॉप, आई एम फ्रॉम पंजाब, फुल स्टॉप। आई एम वर्किंग विद, इस तरीके से। चलिए कोई बात नहीं, करेंगे हम प्रैक्टिस वंस अगेन।
Hi, good afternoon, sir. I'm Rampal Khatak. I belong to Punjab. I have higher qualification 10 plus 2 in official certificate. Now I'm doing the graduation as online from Amity University. Also, I am two-time try to Punjabi University, but
अभी आपने बोला मैंने ट्राई किया 2 बार, तो आई एम ट्राई, नो, आई हैव ट्राइड। मैंने किया है, तो क्या किया है? 2 बार ट्राई। आई हैव,
right.
आई हैव, कौन सा टेंस? यू नो टेंस, टेंस का नॉलेज है आपको?
Yes, yes, yes.
तो क्या
Past sir.
मैंने किया है, कर चुका हूँ। आई हैव ट्राइड टू, क्या कर चुका हूँ? 2 बार, 2 times। आई हैव ट्राइड, क्या क्या कोशिश किया आपने? आई हैव ट्राइड,
I have tried to complete my graduation first from Punjab University, second IGNOU University,
फ्रॉम
Punjab University and IGNOU University.
ओके। तो आपने ये बात बोली, आई एम रामपाल खटक, आई एम फ्रॉम पंजाब, आई एम 10+2 एंड आई एम परसुइंग। अब आपने कहा था आई एम डूइंग, ठीक है? तो रिमेंबर वन थिंग, आई एम डूइंग नहीं बोलते कभी। कोई एजुकेशन जब आप ले रहे हो, कोई डिग्री आप कर रहे हो, कोई कोर्स आप कर रहे हो, लाइक MBA, लाइक ग्रेजुएशन, व्हाटएवर, तो हम उसमें क्या बोलते हैं? परसुइंग,
Perfume बोलते थे. I
ठीक
know
है ना?
sir.
तो हमेशा परसुइंग बोलेंगे अपन। क्या बोलेंगे? आई एम परसुइंग,
Perfume.
आई एम
Pursuing.
परसुइंग ग्रेजुएशन ऑनलाइन। I have
Yes.
tried to be graduate from Punjab University and then second one, from that second one. Okay, next, continue.
So now I doing pursuing graduation from Amity University,
Okay,
second semester.
very good.
So as per my technical qualification, I have computer diploma. I have also I'm 25 year experience in this field.
You have 20।
25 year experience.
हाँ, तो अब यहाँ क्या बोलेंगे? I have 25 years of experience in that field.
Yes, sir.
I have 25 years of
Years of
experience in that particular field. हाँ बोलिए,
in this field.
रिपीट
In
करिए
this,
इसको। हाँ,
I have 25 year experience.
25 years of, आराम से बोलना है, पूरा बोलना है। I have 25 years of experience। हाँ,
I have 25 year experience.
years,
Years experience
years
in
of years of experience, years of experience।
years of experience.
Hmm.
Years 25 years of experience in textile industry.
Very good.
So I good knowledge of utility planning part as per the required in textile field.
I have knowledge of, हाँ अब बोलिए, I have knowledge of,
I have good knowledge of textile industry and data management.
टाटा,
Management.
डाटा
I like
मैनेजमेंट और टाटा,
data.
डेटा, डेटा नॉट डाटा,
Data.
डेटा, वी प्रोनाउंस डेटा,
Data, sir.
डेटा मैनेजमेंट। ओके, वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट,
Also, as per my job responsibilities, daily basis we have to lots of KPI, key performance indicator, show to top management as like daily basis activity, routine, production, manpower, utility, profit, loss, all and each KPI would display on the digital platform with the help of our system SAP, Power BI, and Excel.
Okay, so means all that performance is displayed. क्या बोलेंगे? All this in all this data or information is displayed on a screen
Yes, sir.
to make the performance better, to make the performance of the employees better.
Right.
Okay, very good. Next.
As per our routine work, we have monthly basis planning. Make a planning as per the required auditor. As per customer requirement, we have got from marketing 1 month tentative dispatch plan.
Once
According
again, what is the last sentence?
as per the marketing team, we have received 1 month tentative dispatch plan. We have proper planning as per the monthly dispatch plan, regular basis, as per the required all raw material or semi-finished goods.
Okay.
So, as per the planning, we have planning part. Then we have to make a plan that time as per the order sequence, party wise order sequence. So we have also ensure to availability of raw material, semi goods, manpower, utility. These all things required. So we have ensure before start that particular party or sale order.
Okay. That's better. Okay. Now that was your introduction. I'll send you recording also. Recording of that class I'll send you, so you may watch it once again many times to improve. Okay. तो
Okay,
मैं
sir.
आपको रिकॉर्डिंग भी भेज दूंगा इसकी, तो आप इसको बार बार देखिए क्या मिस्टेक है क्या इम्प्रूव, तो एक क्लास आप कई बार रिपीट कर सकते हो. ठीक है. ओके.
Yes, sir.
So that was your introduction, right? Now we are going to talk about what I have written here.
Daily routine.
Yes. So we are going to discuss our daily routine here in English. Okay. So let me tell you my daily routine. So listen to me carefully and after that repeat your daily routine.
Yes.
So listen how I am speaking or what kind of sentences I am making. I am Subodh Maheshwari and I have been an English teacher for the last 32 years or maybe more than that. I didn't remember. But here I am going to tell you my daily routine. I get up early in the morning or very early in the morning at 3:30 or 4 a.m. every day. This is my routine. Even I don't set alarm to get up. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
I don't set up alarm, but I get up at 3:30 or 4 a.m. every day. I finish my natural calls. तो natural calls क्या होते हैं भाई?
Regular activity, use washroom, brush,
Yes, brushing,
toothbrush,
going to toilet,
Toilet.
washing face and all that comes in natural calls. Natural calls मतलब जो नेचर की तरफ से हमको कॉल आते हैं, टॉयलेट जाना, bathroom jana, that is natural. So that is called natural calls. So I finish my natural calls. Okay, then
Yes, sir.
I start taking exercise at my home. I do, you know, 90 minutes exercise for my stomach, for my tummy, to finish the fat or to keep my tummy flat. Okay,
Yes, sir.
getting my point? So I do 90 minutes exercise, not continuously. First for 30 minutes, then I take rest for 5 minutes, and then again I start, and then again I do some exercise like this. You might be knowing lot of things to burn the belly fat. Okay, and I have reduced 5 to 7 kg of belly fat within last 6 or 7 months. Okay, so after that I do cycling at my home for 10 or 15 minutes. Then I do exercise for my neck for 5 to 7 minutes. Then I get ready and I go for a walk. I take reverse walk there. Reverse walk, you understand?
Reverse walk मैंने?
Reverse walk,
Okay, sir. Understand, sir.
उल्टा चलना.
Yes, yes, understand.
I do reverse walk there. Okay, that is good for uh, repairing your tissues of knees. मतलब घुटनों को रिपेयर करने के लिए इट्स द बेस्ट एक्सरसाइज, वॉकिंग रिवर्स. Okay, so I do that, and after some time, after 30 or 40 minutes of walking, I start jogging. I start jogging for 10 to 15 minutes. I come back at my home, and then I again do some exercise for belly. After that I take bath, and this time it is 9:30, and I have my lunch at 9:30. So I have lunch at 9:30. In lunch, actually, you know, I don't eat like wheat, rice, and you know, all these things. I eat, you know, jaw and jowar, the chapati of jaw,
Okay.
chapati of jaw and jowar. I eat or I have my lunch. After that, you know, I do some work on my computer, like I make some new videos, I prepare for my students, I prepare myself for the class sometimes, or I prepare some of the new videos for my students to upload them to my channel. And after that, uh, in noon I take a nap. You understand nap?
Yes, sir.
I take a nap.
How much time, sir?
Nap means small sleep in daytime. दिन में थोड़ी देर के लिए जो सोते हैं ना, आधे घंटे के लिए, like
Okay.
that
40
is
minutes.
that is called nap. I take a nap for 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and then after that I again start working on my computer, and in the evening around at 5 I have my dinner. 5 I have my dinner, and in dinner I have dalia,
Okay.
dalia of millets. That's all. That is my food 2 times in a day. After 5 o'clock I don't take anything, and there is a gap between me. The last meal of my last meal of the day is at 5, and the next meal is at 9:30. So it is a very long gap. So that is
Very
called
good of you, sir.
intermittent fasting. So I do that, and in the evening I am taking, webinar sometimes in groups. I am taking classes, and I try to go to bed at 9:30 or 10. That is my routine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now I want you to speak your daily routine.
Hi, good afternoon, sir. I'm Rampal Khatak. As per my daily routine, I wake up early in the morning, 4:20 a.m.
At जरूर बोलिए टाइम से पहले.
At 4:20 a.m.
Okay.
After that, some little natural call.
I finish my natural calls.
Finish my natural call. After that, I join Brahm Muhurat meditation at 4:30.
Very good. Brahma Muhurat meditation. Okay.
At 4:30. After the complete the meditation, I have take a little bit nap, 10 minute nap, or juice, warm water, or some walking.
Once again, I couldn't understand that.
After complete my meditation, 40 minutes meditations, then I have take 10 minutes break.
I take, not I have. I take.
I take 10 minutes break.
I take a break for 10 minutes.
Break of 10 minutes.
Break for, not off.
Break for 10 minutes.
देखिए, ऑफ क्यों नहीं यूज कर रहे हम यहाँ? ऑफ का मतलब तो उसमें से, जिस चीज के बारे में आप कर रहे हैं उसमें से कुछ ले रहे हैं.
Okay.
जैसे मैंने कहा, दिस इज द पीस ऑफ अ ब्रेड. जैसे मैंने आपको कुछ दिया, प्लीज हैव इट, दिस इज अ पीस ऑफ ब्रेड. तो वो पीस ब्रेड में से ही निकाला है, तो ऑफ बोला है उसको. तो ऑफ बोला है
उसका, ठीक है.
हाँ, उसका है ना, उसका ऑफ. दिस इज द पीस ऑफ ब्रेड. लेकिन ऑफ यहाँ हम क्यों नहीं कह रहे? क्योंकि जो हम कह रहे हैं, जैसे मैं आई टेक अ ब्रेक, आई टेक अ ब्रेक, ऑफ नहीं कहेंगे, क्योंकि ब्रेक उसमें से नहीं ले रहे. ब्रेक में से हम ले रहे हैं 10 मिनट्स का ब्रेक. तो फॉर आई टेक अ ब्रेक फॉर 10 minutes. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, next.
So, after that, I join my 5:30 CBL meeting, CBL session.
What session?
CBL sessions, as like morning sessions.
CBI session?
CBL, Community Based Learning. CBL.
What is it?
This is I have joined a Diamond Club, in which at 5:30 a.m. daily basis and morning session 1 hour, in which we have lots of different elements discussed as like group, in which we have to attend activity as like the 1 hour session. First 2 minutes affirmations, then laughter challenge. After that 24 minutes book reading.
24
After that,
book reading.
24 minutes book reading. After that 1-to-1 session bonding room. So discussion with each and other person, 3 persons one group. So 1-to-1 discussion as like our progress, our problem, our positivity, negativity, each and every person, though we are learning from these sessions, so we have discussed. After that, we have to come back in the sessions So we have in the group as like the 20, 25 or 30 persons are there. So each and every person share our progress, our profitability, or our what I have to learn, new learn, what to add in our life in a regular basis. What's learning? Basically, we have to develop a career. Then we have to discuss and lots of activity as like the seven this sessions. This Diamond Club we have the seven elements, 7 months program. So if each and every month we have 21 days, one challenge. So we have to follow this challenge day by day. As like the first book reading, where one speak like CEO, as like the video creation, so n number of activity in these sessions.
So is this group paid group or what means
This is a paid group, sir.
paid?
Paid.
So how much do you pay month per month for that group?
Maybe we have to pay this the 1.25 lakh.
1.25 lakh
Yes, sir.
per year or per month?
Per year.
Me 1.25 lakh
Yes, sir.
you pay.
Yes, sir.
1.25 लाख रुपए पे करते हैं आप ईयरली
Only one time, sir.
वन टाइम for what? For learning what?
Yes, sir.
For learning what?
Especially as like the our independent, as like the desire our HRMS. This activity is first my target is the book reading. So we have joined only for the book reading as a speed reading. This concept is the speed reading. As like the one book we have to read in the as like my speed reading is a little bit as like when I start my book speed 1 minute 45 word per minute speed reading. So after that they have to guided new some techniques or some civil sessions group recordings. They have to allow to me as like the some new techniques. So how to we have to improve our speed.
Okay, you are focusing on speed.
Yes, sir.
What is means fast book reading?
Yes, yes.
What is the use of that technique in our life? Why are you going to read fast?
Basically, sir, we have to take a knowledge and like the private industry, but lots and numbers of reading developments or books reports running. So each and every parameter we have to follow and like the propose and the make reports. So lots and activities. Then we have to make each and every report we have to study. Then slowly. Then we have to not capable. We have to not take much time to reports, analyze or make the analysis any developments. Then we have to after that we have to some little bit improve my speed. I like the scheming, scanning, little bit comprehensive. So lots of activity they have to guided to improve this activity.
Okay, man, that particular training is for you only, I think, because as you are connected with some industry or like that, that's why.
Yes, sir.
It is not for all common people.
Yeah, also we have to join in this session maybe
Means
250.
who can join or who should join this group?
So anyone can join, sir. As like the more than 20, maybe 18 year above, in which there's a as like you retired person or IT person, doctors are there. Maximum doctors there in this group.
So actually, who conducts that group? Who is the admin? Who is the host?
Manjunath sir.
Manju,
Bangalore. Manjunath.
Manju,
Life coach and
Manjunath.
Manjunath from Bangalore.
Can you write the name of the group and all here?
Yes sir. I share with you sir.
Okay. So share me that link with me. Okay.
Yes sir.
I'll check it first, then see. Okay. After that, what you do? After that means group
I
discussion.
will join these sessions 5:30 to 6:30. 1 hour session. When we have completed the session, after go to the morning walk. As like the some 40 minutes we have the running. Go to the in park. I like the ground. So after lots of person there, which we have to running. I like the walking or some fundamental exercise, stretching, jumping jacks, push up, stretching. That after 1 hour, maximum 40 minutes or 1 hour, would come back. Then we have to 10 minutes after come back. We have take 10 minutes nap. I like sleep on the Savashan at home. After that, we have to half hour practice 10 minutes typing, 10 minutes typing speed practice, or 10 minutes speaking practice, or 10 minutes some two. If we have to as per the depend of the time availability. So 8:30 and go to the washroom for fresh. So after take shower and shaving or toothbrush, so we have to make a prayer or take breakfast at 9 a.m. So I have to go to the office.
Don't say
9:10.
we have to. I do that. I take bath. I have breakfast. I don't say we have to. I. क्योंकि you are doing that. This is your routine.
I do
No.
take shower.
I take shower.
I take shower, do breakfast, and do prayer. After my breakfast, I have to go to the office.
I leave for office.
I leave for office at 9:10 a.m. So we have to reach office on 9:30 a.m. So after reach the office and number of activity we have to start our routine.
After reaching my office.
After reaching my office,
After reaching my office, comma, I have lot of activities to complete.
so after reaching my office, I lots of activity.
I have.
Routine. I have lots.
I have lot of activities to complete.
I have lot of activity to complete as like our daily routine. As like we have to projector start, our team start, we have to only guide. We have to supervision. Team already, I have trained our team.
I supervise.
Yes.
I supervise the work, and I train my team, or I instruct my team what to do.
Yes, sir. So my team already display the each and all KPI as per the required. So we have first go to the screen, the projector, watch the each and every parameter as per our KPI, which is the system, SAP and our WhatsApp group. So we have to correlate each and every parameter. So maybe find okay. If you find anything so wrong, then we have to instruct our team for correction. So as per this activity, so we have to come back. And so n number of activity day by day. I like the meeting or workers counseling. I like the machine performance. So we have stores inventories. What is the requirement? What is the sale order status? So what is the requirement of container? What is the urgency of the container? Each and every parameter, different elements we have to follow. After that, we come back from office, maybe approximate 9:30 p.m. Officially, time we have 9:30 to 6:30. But this is a private industry. Sometimes some work machine or some other activities. Also, activity we have doing mostly as like the routine usual culture base or our workload. We have 9:39 or 9:30 we have from come back at home. So after reach home, I will take shower approximate 10 p.m. Then take dinner. In I dinner taking the only 2 or 3 chapati, with salad or one sabji. So after that, I'm a little bit talking my family. I like the after lunch the asanas, sit on the we discussion on the family or children, some routine activities. What do we have? What is the status of study? So maybe 10 to 20 minutes we have discussed. After that, my schedule starts. Our typing speed practice 15 minutes. Then 30 minutes I have book reading. Evening. Then sometime I have to new activity. We have the Excel, new formulas, new developments. I like the Power BI, the new developments. I like the some new techniques, some new formula generation in the industry. Then we have to watch and develop add in our life. So how to develop, how to use the formula, how to benefit of this activity. So maybe approximately we have to sleep at 11:30. We have to go to the bed.
Very late. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So we have talked something like means your introduction and your routine. And now what you will do for the next lesson, you have to write the same routine in your own words on notebook with pen, not on computer. जो डेली रूटीन आपने बोला है उसको नोटबुक पे लिखना है आपको. दैट इज दी होमवर्क फॉर नेक्स्ट लेसन. ईमानदारी से, ऑनेस्टली, नॉट ऑन कंप्यूटर. कंप्यूटर से लिखेंगे तो नहीं सीखेंगे आप. लिखेंगे तो प्रैक्टिस होगी लिखने की, तो उससे इंग्लिश भी इम्प्रूव होगी.
I will need to sir focus on the writing skill. I like that we have something in board in the I like that instructive team. Then we have to need the handwriting. Also, my handwriting is very poor. I like the last 20 or 30 years we have not writing and I like the computer. So not to properly use the computer, not your handwriting. So very bad situation.
No problem.
So
You write your daily routine on notebook. This is your homework. The first homework is this, and the second homework is actually, when we learn any language, or if we want to be fluent, if we want to have command over a particular language, and definitely you are here to improve your English speaking as well as writing. So what you have to do, if you want to be good at writing and at speaking, then what you should do, you have to make questions in English. So at least 20 questions you have to make.
Yes, noted.
I am telling you, simple questions you have to make. Don't try to make long questions. simple questions, like you may start like using is, am, are, was, were. आई एम टेलिंग यू कि क्या क्या यूज करके आपको क्वेश्चन बनाने, इज, एम, आर, लाइक देन was, were, has, had, do, does, did, right? And then using will. ये सारे यूज करके आपको क्या करना है, क्वेश्चन बनाने हैं. मैं एक एक एग्जांपल, आई एम गिविंग यू एग्जांपल ऑफ ईच हियर. तो मैं यहाँ पे एग्जांपल आपको दे देता हूँ, लाइक जैसे इज, एम, आर. मैंने पूछा आर यू वर्किंग. इट्स अ क्वेश्चन. आर यू वर्किंग? आंसर है यस आई एम. फिर हम नेक्स्ट टाइम करेंगे इंटेरोगेटिव वर्ड्स को यूज करके, लाइक विच, वेयर, व्हाट, हाउ. वो हम करेंगे नेक्स्ट टाइम. ओके. टुडे दिस इज योर होमवर्क. 20 questions you have to make, like is, am, are, was, were, like who was there in the room with you. This is a question. Who was there with you in the room? कमरे में कौन था आपके साथ. Similarly, do, does, did, like do you have tea, do you like tea, do you go for a walk. Next, for singular you can use like does your wife cook food. तो ये भी क्वेश्चन है. डज योर वाइफ कुक फूड, क्या आपकी वाइफ खाना बनाती हैं. सिमिलरली यू कैन यूज डिड. व्हाट डिड यू डू yesterday in the evening. What did you do yesterday in the evening. कल आपने शाम को क्या किया. And you can use will, like what will you do tomorrow. अच्छा, अभी what यूज नहीं कर रहा है अपन, चलो will ही केवल यूज करो. like will you help me sir. तो ये एक रिक्वेस्ट भी होती है. विल फ्यूचर में तो होता ही है, बट इट इज़ अ रिक्वेस्ट ऑल्सो. विल यू प्लीज़ हेल्प मी, क्या आप मेरी मदद की. अभी अपन पढ़ेंगे आगे, मॉडल्स वगैरह पढ़ेंगे तब. विल यू प्लीज़ हेल्प मी. तो इस तरीके से आपको क्वेश्चन बनाने हैं. यू हैव टू मेक 20 क्वेश्चंस. you may take help from internet or from anywhere else, I have no problem, but you have to use is, am, are, was, were. अरे वो कुछ गलती हो गई, टाइपो हो गया लिखने में. टाइपो मीन्स कोई लिखने में मिस्टेक हो जाती है ना, तो वो दैट इज टाइपो. वॉज, वर, डब्ल्यू छूट गया वहाँ. हैज़ में एस छूट गया मेरे से, कोई बात नहीं. डू, डज, डिड. तो यू हैव टू मेक क्वेश्चंस यूजिंग these auxiliary verbs. So this is your homework, writing your routine and making questions. So we'll discuss about questions in our next lesson, and let me know when would you like to have your next lesson. Time is to be decided today. When would you like to have your lesson, timings, day? Tomorrow?
Yes sir, tomorrow.
Tomorrow at what time? Evening?
Yes sir.
At what time?
7:30 रखो.
Okay, no problem. We can have. So tomorrow is means your timing should be Monday. Monday. You want to have
7.
class Monday. Timing is
7.
7 o'clock.
7 p.m.
Okay, that's fine because actually I have no webinar tomorrow, so we can have 7. Okay. So keep that in your mind that timing is 7 Monday. I have noted it down. I'll send you the link 5 or 10 minutes before
No
to
issue.
join. Now this is the time for you. Still we have some time to finish our lesson. So you may ask me anything about me or anything as you wish. Make questions, ask me questions.
So, what's our future plan about study? As like today's this one or other anything chapter you have to recording session or other
I
YouTube channel have you?
Yeah, I'll give you the link, the recording of that class 1. I'll share it with you on WhatsApp, so you may watch that recording or you can keep it with you, and you can watch it whenever you want to. Even the members in your family can watch it if they want to improve, no problem. So it is useful for everybody who is going to watch it. So that we'll
Okay,
do.
sir.
And as it is our beginning, so we have taken some of the topics today. In second lesson we'll go for little more advanced. Then we'll take some more advanced topics like stories and all. So that will depend on lot of things, that for how long you continue, because first after that your 8 lessons we'll decide. If you want to continue, we'll take further classes. Actually, I tell you, if you really want to improve, what I mean to say means, if you really want to have very good command, then at least 30 lessons should go there, or you should have 30 lessons. बट क्या होता है ना, पहले से ही 30 लेसन किसी को बता दो, इंडियंस को मेनली।
Yes, sir.
इंडियंस के साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम है, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन विद माई स्टूडेंट्स फॉर ए लॉन्ग टाइम, 30 ईयर्स 32 ईयर्स। तो इंडियंस को क्या है ना, उनको बता दो 30 लेसन्स कर लो, तो वो चो अरे 30 कौन करेगा, पूरी ज़िंदगी निकाल ली आपने।
Yes.
ज़िंदगी तो निकलेगी, कुछ नहीं करोगे तो भी निकलेगी, और करोगे तो भी निकलेगी। तो वाई शुडेंट बी लर्न समथिंग, एंड लर्निंग इज ऑलवेज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ। विदाउट लर्निंग नथिंग इज, you cannot go ahead in your life without learning. Technology is changing day by day, and we have to learn all these things, chat gpt and all। आप देख रहे हैं, ये नहीं सीखोगे तो क्या होगा, कुछ नहीं। My old pattern was different. My old pattern of teaching student was different, and now I have changed myself. I am taking Facebook ad and bringing students to WhatsApp group, and from there I get my student. Technology is changing, so we have to learn how we can adjust ourselves with the technology. If we are not using technology, we are lagging behind, तो हम लोग पीछे रह जाएंगे फिर। तो ये सब चीज़ें हैं, तो सीखना ज़रूरी है। तो अभी तो फर्स्ट फोकस ऑन आवर लेसन्स, डे बाई डे यू विल गेट न्यू थिंग्स। सो दैट वाज योर फर्स्ट लेसन। सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट योर फर्स्ट लेसन? जस्ट लेट मी हैव समथिंग, मतलब कैसा लगा आपको पहला लेसन में? व्हाट होप डू यू हैव?
Just the normal introductions is a good thing. Also, I feel lots of need to improvement in my side. As like sometimes I know properly I have to mistakes, but I am not try to improve because they have a culture develop चलता है. So then we have to not properly take care. I like sometimes I know. I like that we have to do. I do BA. So I know properly. This the use to have the pursuing. But I sometimes I skip on that time in my from my mind. Also sometimes I am used. I like the past. I am sentence structure. So I'm know properly, but I am some not at that time. I like the some past tense. Sometimes I will use the present as situations.
You learn everything gradually.
Yes,
Actually,
yes, sir.
it's a process. It is beginning. अभी तो आपने you have just entered into the car,
Yes,
and
yes,
now
first
you are
step.
learning what is gear, where is clutch, where is brake, where is the accelerator, how to be straight to see in front of you, and there is a back mirror, back camera is also there, so you can see what is going on at the back of the car. So you are trying to learn driving a car. It will take time, but you can be a good driver.
This is baby steps also.
Okay, so that's good. So see you tomorrow again